How's it going? This is Will with A-Team Roofing. Good morning. I'm in Germantown today. We're doing a re-roof for a homeowner over here. I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the steps we take to make sure everything's protected when we're doing a tear-off.
As you can see here, we've got multiple guys on the roof slope itself that are doing the tear-off, but we also have two guys with ropes and harnesses that are at the gutter line catching the shingles as they fall, making sure, sorry about the sun there, making sure they go in a safe place. You can see the houses are really close together. So we just want to always make sure that we're taking every precaution necessary to protect the landscape, protect the neighbors, and just really do the best job we can.